turn your lawnmower into an ATV and cut high grass on a steep slope. No problem. Yeehaw! Monk on the hill here. Welcome to Bulgaria in the spring, where everything is growing like crazy. As soon as temperatures are rising and a little rain comes onto it, then everything is literally exploding. Just like the grass here. It's not really high yet. It might grow up to a meter or more if you don't cut it before. But everything is lush and green. But yeah, you have to do something about it. You would tackle bits like that with a strimmer, but if you want to be quick and dirty, just as I like to do it, first off, it's quite hard work. You have to carry that machine all the time with you, especially if you have a lot of land. And then if you're not a real meister, as they call them here, then you constantly hit the ground, you make holes in your grass, you can even rip out whole bushes of grass. So it's just not looking nice. I finally got me a lawnmower. I got me this machine here. It's self-propellered, luckily back wheel drive. And of course something like that is meant to go on your proper lawn that you have in front of your house that's flat and even. Unfortunately, that's not the case here on my property. Everything is on a slope and all these patches of grass were used to have cattle on and sheep and horses and whatnot. So it's bumpy and it's steep. So I had to figure out how to do that, and I found a solution. As you have seen, I always had to go a little sideways because these wheels here are hard plastic and their grip is almost like not existence. Which makes my next thought even more nonsense, actually, but it works. I figured out going straight up the hill with the help of the self-driving mechanism, that works okay until you hit a little hole or something, or it's getting just too steep. But there's a solution to it. Let me show you. Did you get that? By making a wheelie, you're putting more weight on the back wheels, and the high grass is getting a first cut. So you're not just pushing the grass over, you're coming from top of the grass, giving it a first cut. With a more grip on the back wheels, you can drive easier up the hill. Then you put it flat and just let it roll backwards. Then it's getting the final cut. I still can't play golf on here, but the work is much easier. And if you think this is my most extreme terrain, nope. I also have the chicken run. That's 800 square meters and that needs some cutting as well. And you know how chickens are. They are constantly making holes in the ground, so it's very uneven there. And some bits are even steeper than here. So I will upgrade the grip on my lawnmower. For that I need to buy something, and today is Sunday, so I'll do that tomorrow. Stay tuned, you will see it any minute. I have to wait, and if you like more homestead hacks, leave a subscribe, you will get them. And the next day, if you are looking online for more grip on your lawnmower wheels, you will most probably come across, I think it's called Green Grip. They are selling you 3D printed parts that you can screw on the wheels for like $20–30, I think. Or you go to your local tire dealer and he sells you a used small mountain bike tire for $2. That's what I did. Now what I'm going to do is the sides we don't need, I'll cut along here. Then my plan is to screw it on the wheels. The width, yeah, that should just fit. I really hope the screws will not break the tires, like splitting them. Because look how thin and cheap these are. So it depends now on what the material is. I probably have to go into the thicker parts just to be sure. I got me pretty short screws. They have this drilling head. I hope that'll help not to break the plastic. Oh, let's do that. I'm doing this in my car, so I have a bit of a working area. Ah yeah, easy. Excellent. Oops, not too much. We don't need that. And the other side. There's no straight line in the profile, but of course you can measure the whole wheel and then measure that bit and then cutting it off, but it's not really necessary. If we get that on here. I'd say that's quite a nice fit. As tight as possible. I'll go around both wheels like that, then we'll see how it turns out. Overall, it is looking quite good. Just this is the gap that I have to deal with. Same on that side. I didn't cut it in a straight line, so I'll get a bit more of traction on the outside. But this gap shouldn't matter. Let's say, let's give it a test ride. Before it starts to rain. It's already windy and cloudy, and so let's go for it. Wow! Just as you see how steep it is here. I have to say, I'm impressed. There's no slipping at all. It's super steep here, and I didn't think it would be that good. So this is an absolute do it. I mean, if you have a flat lawn, then it's not necessary, just keep on walking on it. But terrain like that, do it. It's absolutely worth it. It'll save you so much power. I didn't have to push at all. It was driving all by itself. So let's try that out in the chicken coop where it's even worse. And there I have to be careful with the wheelie because the chickens, they love the lawnmower. All the bits and pieces and insects that are flying around, they go for it, and yeah, you'll see it. Don't even I don't even have to do the wheelie here. Well, the wheelie is for the high grass. Move, chickens! Of course, here are some really deep holes that the chickens made. And there was a little bit of wheelie and bit of pushing, but wow, I'm really pleased with that. Now it'll rain shortly, so I think that's it for today, but I know I can get it done. Yeah, it's an absolute must. If your wheels of your lawnmower are spinning, do it. Absolutely. Just as I said, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.